To properly clean your aligners or retainer, you're going to want to take a toothbrush and also any kind of dish soap. All it needs is one small dot of dish soap on the toothbrush. Then you wet your aligner and you very gently brush all surfaces of the aligner. And I very slightly hold my thumb on top of the aligner just so it doesn't move around as much. It doesn't need much pressure, just very light strokes. And this is how I get in the anteriors. And then I gently brush all of the outside. And then thoroughly rinse it. And that's all it takes.